trap for what it is. A maze that loops back into itself.
I'm here again. Set me back.
Jetzt haben wir das Glieders für Crown Crew mit dem 4. Teil vom Alan Wake. Holen wir uns hier noch die Manuskriptseite, würde ich sagen. Und das Szenario ist ja bekannt. Da habe ich am Schluss noch schnell ein bisschen darüber geredet. Vom letzten Video. Jetzt bewegen wir uns hier über bekannte Pfade. Aber das heisst nicht, dass alles dann genau gleich wird sein. Okay, Winnerletz. Und da hinten ist es ja, Holzbärli, okay. Der Turm ist wieder da, Ölbohrturm. What? Ich ziehe mich jetzt hier gescheiter rein. Irgendwie macht das Licht dann gar nichts. Naja. Nervt jemand anderes, du Spaß. Stimmen wir einfach das Licht. So. Jetzt hat da noch irgendjemand mal eine Skriptseite sein. Ja, genau, das wäre die 20. 21. schon, ganz geil. Das bedeutet, wir können uns das Sturmgewehr holen, wenn wir dann wieder zurück beim Observatorium sind. Wobei, wir können uns doch jetzt auch hier unter der Brücke schon etwas holen, glaube ich. Da kann ich doch schnell spienzeln. So, da unten war glaube ich auch noch etwas. Jawohl, Magnum, hä? Ja, machen wir doch das, hey. Mal schauen, wie die sich so anfühlt. Und wenn sie nicht gerade den Rückstoß bis hinten raus hat, wird es gut gehen mit der.
Okay. So this chick just came up to me and said she's my biggest fan. I know. They all say that, right? And she's giving me the eye. So I make a couple of moves. We have a couple of drinks. And then things start happening. But I say I have to go to the bathroom first. Uh-oh, right? She's got no idea. Watch this. This is gonna be priceless.
That's nice.
I thought you'd like that. Are you tense? You feel a little tense.
Maybe a little. I had a crappy day.
Yeah?
Don't worry, it's improving real fast.
Yeah.
Hey, don't stop. It's just getting good.
Watch this.
Mhm. Also immer noch ein richtig kranker Wichser, wenn man hier sieht. Right, da hingen jetzt glaube ich auch noch Manuskriptseiten gehabt, genau. Ich glaube langsam haben wir hier richtig viele. Ah nein, da fehlen schon noch ein paar an. Gut. Gehen wir zurück zum Game. Hier bei diesem Pool muss da sicher auch irgendwann mal noch etwas vorfallen, habe ich das Gefühl.
Okay, people, it's Eddie Rodman here with a few hours to kill, and there's nobody I'd rather spend them with. Nobody else in the whole world. Oh boy, that'll land me in hot water when I get back home, won't it? Well, just in case my wife is listening, and you always are, aren't you, baby? Let me tell you, you are the exception, honey, and the prettiest lady I ever saw to boot. But I'd really like to spend some quality time with you listeners, because, well, tonight's one of those nights. You're sitting in the studio and you kind of forget how long it's been or what day it is. You just sit here and go through the motions. You might as well have been here forever. You keep talking, but you don't even know what you're saying. It's like you're on automatic. You can't stop the ride and get off. It's times like these that I really wish that somebody would just call in and relieve my boredom. How about it? Anybody? Come on now, help a fella out. Our lines are open.
Perfekt, hä? Hoffe ich doch, dass dort jemand anläutet.
Emma? You here?
Wow, it is you. I guess all of it really happened.
You remember me?
Kind of. I felt weird all day, like I could almost remember a dream I had, and then, just before sunset, I remembered the page.
Yeah. I'm going to have to go get those things again.
Not all of them. I went out and got them. Well, most of them. I felt stupid at first, but then it was getting dark, and those things started showing up, and one of them made off with the battery. It ran into the railroad tunnel. There was no way I was gonna follow him in there. Sorry.
It's good you didn't. You should be careful. I mean, really careful.
Yeah, I kinda remember something. Something bad happened to me, didn't it?
Forget it. It doesn't have to happen again, okay? Just do what I say.
Yeah, okay. God, this is too weird. Am I going crazy here? Just go get that battery.
Try to stay calm. You're perfectly sane. We're caught in a time loop. That's why this is happening again.
I believe you. God, I feel like I might just lose it any second now. How come you're not freaking out over this?
Because on my personal weird shit-o-meter, this just doesn't rate.
Look, I know something happened to me before...
You're gonna be okay, if you just keep cool, okay? Thanks for getting this stuff for me. It's a big help.
I hope so. Are you gonna make everything blow up at the oil field again?
I have to.
Well, whatever the hell else you might be, at least you're not boring.
Just the battery. That'll save time.
Vieto kennen wir, ha? Dann nochmal eine Skriptseite holen, gut. Was ist jetzt da hinten etwas gewesen? Wow. Das ist ein Tunnel, das habe ich bisher noch gar nicht geschnallt.
Well, this should be perfectly safe.
Holy shit. Wird es spinnen lassen? Ja, ist klar.
Now I just need her to charge this up.
Genau. Scheiße, die kleinen Kackspinnen. Aha, gut. Da können wir also nicht ausweichen. Ja, hüpft nur mit ihr Kackwürst. So, jetzt kommt Multigrill für euch. Ah. Ja. Jetzt früh sie, ja. Ah, da ist auch noch so ein Stück Scheiße. Ah, da sind richtig viel. Hey, nein, und die unterschätzen die Situation wieder mal maßlos. So. Jetzt aber, ha? Das war noch etwas, oder? Moon, ja. Cool. So, das wäre sie gewesen. Cool. Ja, ja, also die Spinnen sind richtig easy. Wow, 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 wow. Kommt schon, Jungs. Weg da am Scheiß. Setzen wir noch eine zur Sicherheit.
Found the battery.
Okay, I'll charge it. Here. Try not to get killed.
Muchas gracias.
Okay. I'm gonna take care of this. Try to stay calm.
Look, what if you stay here with me, please?
I'm sorry, but if I don't deal with this, no one else will.
Yeah, I guess. It's just that this is getting really creepy. I believe this is real, but I don't understand any of it. I'm getting scared. I can't believe you're so calm.
I get scared, but I've had a lot of time to get used to it. That helps. The guy who looks like me is the reason this is happening. I caught up with him, but he swept me back here.
Back in time.
Yeah, it's a trap. We'll be doing this forever unless I can break out of it.
How are you gonna do that?
I'm working on it. I came prepared, but things got kind of scrambled when I arrived. I'm tracking down the things I need.
Yeah, well, feel free to climb back into your DeLorean or whatever it is you do.
Wieder alles zu. Easy. Also, rauf zum Bohrturm, das kennen wir. So, die scheiß Vögel wieder mal am Start. Ja, super, ja. Die Explosion war zu wenig groß gewesen. Egal. Die ist noch gut. One-Shot auf eine rechte Chance. Also gut, zuerst mal
Well,
Musik
here we
rein,
go
ja.
again. Better get ready to run.
Batterie. geil es wird. So. Man hat leider nicht so viel Schuss mit dem Magnum.
She'll be in trouble. Better hurry.
Emma! Coming! This is not the bad thing! Nothing!
So, der Typ hat sich da noch anschleichen, die Drecksmaden. Aber so nicht, würde ich sagen. Oh shit, noch mehr, noch mehr, noch mehr.
Head down!
Gut, dann geben wir die Pumpe ab. Cool. So. Jawohl. Das wäre cool, wenn man bei den Waffen noch irgendetwas aufrüsten oder
Okay,
so.
it's safe now.
I got a really bad feeling about all of this.
I'm gonna need those keys to the diner now. There's a motel key there that I have to get.
Oh, hey, you don't have to do that. I have the motel master key. I work for the same company, you know. What's at the motel?
Well, there's a dead guy. He's got something I need to get into the Mount Redtooth Observatory.
God, that's awful. Hey, you wanted to know about the guy who looked like you, didn't you?
The last time you said he had a party, but you didn't go.
No, that's not true. I did go. It was really great at first, and then I didn't see it myself, but I hear he turned nasty. He hurt a bunch of guys pretty bad, and there was this girl, she died. But I didn't hear about that until afterwards. I thought that he was so charming.
And then he went to the diner.
That's right. I wasn't involved. I wasn't involved with that at all. I don't know what happened.
Fine. I need to check out these motel rooms. In the meantime, you stay here, okay? I'm serious. Keep the lights on and stay here.
Yeah, okay. You got it. I sure hope you're right about this.
You're gonna stay here this time, right?
Because the last time I didn't, and that thing, whatever it is, happened to me.
Yeah. I don't want you to get hurt again.
Don't worry, I'm gonna stay put. I don't remember what happened exactly, but I learned my lesson.
Good. It doesn't have to happen exactly the same way this time around. You proved that much when you went out and got those things for me. I think you're gonna be okay.
Let's hope you're right. This wasn't supposed to happen again!
One night, her own fate haunts Emma Sloan and fills her with dread. This time, she does as she's told. It's not enough to save her.
Okay, jetzt gehen wir sicher noch schnell in den Raum, wo wir beim ersten Mal, wo wir da waren, nicht haben betreten, nicht reingegangen, um Manuskriptseiten zu bekommen. Da, wunderbar. Und jetzt gehen wir wieder in den dritten Raum, wo wir die Leichen werden finden. Höchste Wahrscheinlichkeit. Da, da noch reinkurven. Genau. Leichnam. Machen wir doch das.
It's said that nobody knows what the future might bring, but for this man, it's no longer entirely true. A weaker man might simply give up, but the Champion of Light is an expert on destiny. Sometimes the puppet and puppeteer can be one and the same.
Schön gesagt. Das heisst, wir fahren wieder rauf zum Observatorium, okay. Wird Sturmgewehr holen.
Mount Redtooth, its top littered with man-made eyes that stare into the endless depths of space. Tonight, the Champion of Light will depend on them to pick out a message from the ether. As history repeats itself, the man remembers the patterns. He knows that he needs the missing part for the telescope.
Should be.
Mühsam sein. Okay. So. Da haben wir auch noch so einen Wegreizgenerator. Hey, nein, die sind ja richtig. Die ganze Familie präsent. Kommen jetzt hier auch noch. Endlich. Dort hinten ist, glaube ich, die Waffenkiste, wenn ich mich nicht täusche. Das Jagdgewehr. Ja, probieren wir das auch mal aus. Und sonst haben wir hier noch eine Pumpe wieder. Ja, ja, also. No scope. Da ist immer noch nichts zu machen. Okay. Was ist ihre Karre da? Okay. Ah, da kommen wir nicht durch wegen der Felsen, gut. Achtung, ja, das Bürstchen da an. So. Was? Das ist ja ewig zum Nachladen, hä? Scheiß Waffe. Gut. Gerade wechseln. Genau. Da nehmen wir doch viel lieber Pumpe. Weißt du, aber sieht es fast so aus, als würde es morgen werden. Dann bleibt es trotz allem ewig Dunkelheit. Die Vogeltypen sind richtig bescheuert. Komm schon. So, schwenken. Come on. Feige Mähre. Ja, ja, spring du nochmal. So. Manuskriptseite, oder? Oder nicht? So, steigt los, ja. Manuskriptseite gut. Pumpe-Munition, Live-Fackeln. Alles wunderbar. Mal schnell schauen, wie sie reagiert jetzt hier.
It's you. How dare you? No, wait. It isn't you, is it? I suppose you'd better come in. I'll unlock the door.
Gut, jawohl, merci vielmals. Da kommen wir immer noch nicht rein, nein.
I know what you're thinking. Evil twin, supernatural powers. But most of the time, I just like to keep things basic. I want you to understand that. Like this. Need to get your hands dirty? No batteries, no moving parts, just physics. That's technology you can depend on. It's a classic. Speaking of classics, you need to be careful with this one, though. If the victim suddenly twists, you might end up cutting yourself. It's not really a workhorse, but I'm a sucker for this style. Now this is more like it. You've got slip-resistant grip. Believe me, you really want that traction once you're wrist deep in somebody. The blade's stiff enough so it won't open by accident in your pocket, but it's still really easy to open with just one hand. Now that's a big thing for me. I know what you're thinking. It's too big, too heavy. But sometimes you just need the extra oomph. If you're talking intimidation, this is gonna do the job. Also great for dismemberings and whatnot. You know, the messy jobs.
Spieli, Zagi.
I can't tell you how many things I've MacGyvered with this stuff. Okay, now, guns. Not a big fan. I mean, how are you supposed to really connect with somebody with a bullet? I want you to understand that. I take pride in what I do. We can't both be worthless hacks, can we?
Dumme Sache.
You'll have to forgive me, but this feels very strange. It seems like this has all happened before.
I have the replacement part for your telescope, Doctor.
All right. Let's get it installed. I think we can give this a go, although I have this strange feeling that something will
Don't
go
start
wrong.
it up yet. There's a problem with the coolant system.
Yes, that's right. I remember. All right, let me think. If there's sabotage, if you can secure it, we should be ready to pick up the signal. That is why you're here, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I'll take care of it.
Okay.
If you have the time, I'd appreciate if you came up here and explained a few things. All of this is very strange to me.
Okay. Muss sie. Geräuschloser Lift, auch nicht schlecht.
Hello.
I don't quite know what's going on, but I seem to remember having had this encounter before.
It's not deja vu, Doctor. This has happened before. We're caught in a time loop.
That's utterly insane. How could that be?
I can't really explain it. I suppose I could call it magic.
I don't believe in magic.
Neither do I, but I can't argue with what I've experienced. Listen, what matters now is the signal. The last time we only caught a part of it. I need the rest of it. Whether you believe me or not, you want to look into this as much as I do, right?
Yes. All right.
I realize that you have trouble believing this.
That's an understatement. I can't deny that what you say resonates with me on some level I don't pretend to understand. But for all I know, I'm simply delusional.
But it's not just you. I've experienced the same thing as you. Doesn't that prove something, at least?
Maybe. On the other hand, given your appearance, and the fact that you're trying to convince me that I'm not insane, perhaps you're merely a hallucination that accompanies my delusions.
You're not having a psychotic episode, Doctor. For what it's worth, I'm a skeptic by nature. I completely understand your reluctance to believe me.
There are people caught so deep in their psychosis that they retroactively manufacture memories and beliefs that conform to the situation at hand.
Sure, but you have to stop second-guessing yourself at some point, if you want to get something done.
Das war jetzt richtig der Bringer gewesen, nur mit der gut zu texten. Das sehe ich eins muss rumsäckeln. Das ist schon eine arme Sau. Also ziehen wir das mal auf dieser Seite durch. Da scheint noch eine Manuskriptseite zu sein, sehr schön. Holen wir die zuerst. Muy bien, 28 schon, ganz geil. Scheiße, Combat Gun, 40. Naja, scheiß drauf. Gehen wir gleich direkt ins Ziel. Das ist schon die Primärröhre, ha? Wow, das sind nicht wenige hier. Ja, nein, das kommt ja anders ins Ruckeln, du hier. Leck, du mir, krass. Ich glaube, meine Xbox kackt jetzt gerade ab. Oh, danke. Oh, da kommt einer. Oi. Ja, da schnell die Temperatur von der Xbox müssen checken und ich muss zugeben, die ist recht warm. Nein, das verhält sich scheinbar nicht wirklich.
The light, am I correct?
Doctor, can you hear me?
Able to turn on the light and secure the area that way. All right, I'll start looking for the signal. Please, head back.
Scheiße.
I guess they didn't like that.
Ich würde sagen, das ist genug lang für die 4. Episode. Wir sehen in der 5., wie es hier weitergeht. Schönen zusammen.